Climate change and global conflicts, food insecurity and political polarization. These are big, complex problems you don't solve by doom-scrolling, but by combining disciplines and perspectives.
And at the heart of them all isn't the perfect rational man of classical economics, but the flawed, instinctive, contradictory ways that people really behave. The stuff you see in your feed every day.
That's why we created the Bachelor of Psychology, Economics and Politics at the crossroads of human behavior, decision-making and systems of power. You'll explore how individuals and groups think, act and influence one another and gain the skills to make change happen.
So, if you are ready to stop doom scrolling and start solving systemic problems, explore the site below to find out more.
Hello, I'm Ian Dougal. I'm the Dean of Academic Affairs at Hult International Business School. I did my PhD in Politics and International Relations and taught courses in these subjects at Hult. I've been at Hult for almost 25 years.
I am Yulia Kovas, Professor of Psychology at Hult. I have 5 degrees in different disciplines, including humanities, social sciences, and life sciences. I use this interdisciplinary expertise to conduct research into systemic human problems and teaching.